What?
Let's go down about 100.
That's considering the size of the planet as well. That's fast there, isn't it? Have you ever wondered what it'd be like to go to a different planet, or indeed to go to one of the gas giants like Jupiter? No, I never thought that either. But in today's video, it sparked my curiosity because I've seen the title of this video that said, "What if you fell through Jupiter's acid clouds and lightning?" Well, you've told us half of the stuff that's there now, but we're going to go and see what happens if we try to go to Jupiter. Anyway, if this is the first time being here, then welcome in. If it's not the first time being here, then you know who I am. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow the original artist of this video, which is called What If. Go and follow that channel if you like this video. What if you fell into Jupiter?
What you're seeing isn't a watercolor painting.
No, that's the red spots.
In fact, it's the planet Jupiter. For the most part, this gas giant is a mystery. So what would happen if you wanted to discover it for yourself and jumped right onto the planet? Or should we say into? Because Jupiter doesn't have a surface.
Not that we know
just
of.
a seemingly endless stretch of atmosphere. Would you fall straight through? What would you see on your way? And how would it make you feel?
Trippy.
This is What If. And here's what would happen if you fell into Jupiter.
Let's go.
If you attempted to jump into Jupiter wearing a standard spacesuit, it'd be over for you pretty quickly. First of all, you wouldn't even make it to the planet. Roughly 300,000 kilometers from Jupiter, radiation would penetrate your suit and you'd die. But that's a boring
radiation. I didn't think there was radiation in there. Well, not even in there. It's away from it, isn't there? Massive amounts of radiation would disintegrate your suit, right? Okay.
Jupiter, radiation would penetrate your suit and you'd die. But that's a boring what if.
Yeah.
We'll give you a special spacesuit that can survive the fall.
Right.
For now.
Okay.
Here's where the real fun begins. At first, you'll be falling from the top of the atmosphere at nearly 180,000 kilometers per hour.
Oh, that's fast.
That's a lot faster than you'd fall from the top of Earth's atmosphere because Jupiter's gravity is much stronger than Earth's. You'd still be able to see the sun, but don't expect it to heat you up. At about 250 kilometers down, you'd reach the ammonia clouds and experience temperatures of minus 150 degrees.
Wow.
Now,
I thought Jupiter was hotter than that. I thought it was hotter than that. That's why it's like reddish in colour sort of thing. Okay.
And experience temperatures of minus 150 degrees. Now, get ready for the most epic whirlpool of your life. Jupiter's clouds create powerful winds, up to 482 kilometers per hour. You'd feel as if you were in one giant, colorful tornado.
Okay.
That's because Jupiter is the fastest rotating planet in our solar system.
I didn't know that. That's interesting.
One day on the planet is equal to 9.5 Earth hours.
What?
Let's go down about 100.
That's considering the size of the planet as well. That's fast there, isn't it? 9 hours for a day. God, I wish I could work in for 4 hours of the day.
20 kilometers more. Congratulations. This is the deepest that any exploration has ever sailed into the gas giant.
Oh, is it?
In 1995, NASA's Galileo probe made it this far before it was destroyed by the pressure of Jupiter's atmosphere.
Wow.
But don't worry, that's not happening to you. You've got the suit.
Okay.
The further you travel, the darker it will get, until it's completely pitch black. The only source of light you'll have will be from the lightning storms happening all around you.
Okay.
At this point, the temperature will start to increase, and it might even feel comfortable if it weren't for the immense physical pressure you'll be feeling. The pressure you'd experience is more than 1,000 times higher than on the surface of the Earth.
Okay.
The only way you'll be able to survive is if your spacesuit was built as strong as the deepest diving submarine of all time. By now, you've been falling for 12 hours, and let's be honest, you're getting a little bored. You'd probably want to radio someone to come and get you. Well, that's too bad. That's an impossibility inside Jupiter, since radio waves get absorbed this deep into the planet's atmosphere. You'll just have to keep falling. The temperature will keep rising, and so will the pressure.
Wow.
As you reach the inner layers of Jupiter...
I suppose the pressure keeping on rising there is because as you get to the centre, it's more compact, isn't it? It'd be like going to the centre of the deepest parts of the ocean, wouldn't it? Where you just get crushed. Do you know what I mean? It'd be like that sort of thing, won't it?
Keep rising, and so will the pressure. As you reach the inner layers of Jupiter, there'll be parts that you'll be able to swim through. A substance that's not quite liquid or gas, known as supercritical fluid. Moving through this strange material, the temperature will get even hotter.
Okay.
Eventually, it will be equivalent to the surface of the sun. If that isn't enough, you'll also be experiencing pressure equal to 2 million times the pressure on Earth.
Right, yeah, so you'll be
Metallic
squashed.
hydrogen will begin to form, and you'll be surrounded by it. This relatively unknown substance can be a dense liquid that you won't be able to escape from.
Right.
If you do manage to escape, you'd be falling through it for thousands of kilometers until you reach Jupiter's core. Possibly a solid object.
Possibly.
Some scientists predict it is, due to the immense pressure at this level in the planet.
It's compressed everything
Regardless
together.
of what it is, if you somehow did manage to survive all this, you'd be stuck on it from all the atmospheric pressure. Not a very rewarding trip.
No.
Maybe we should leave the planet as a beautiful mystery. But if you do ever manage to fall into Jupiter and get stuck, let's hope you have a few more what-if videos to keep you company.
What if you were sucked into a black hole? Jesus Christ. I think you'd get, like, obliterated, wouldn't you? Interesting facts there about Jupiter. I mean, who would have thought that you could go from, like, minus 140 to, like, the surface of the sun after a few more kilometres? And liquid, like a sea? Wow. I mean, I know a lot of it past the ship that went there and got it destroyed is all like hearsay, and they don't actually know if there's a solid core, but it does make sense. And I suppose physics would tell you that that would be the case, because any sort of debris or any meteors that have hit Jupiter probably all go into the centre and get like squashed together, don't they? You know what I mean? Interesting. I mean, I thought it might have touched on the big red spot, which I know is a giant tornado that's been like spinning for like years and years and years. It's a very violent it's a violent storm, isn't it? I know a little bit about planets and this, that and the other, but I mean, that was quite interesting, that. A world full of hydrogen. Wow. Crazy. And, you know, it's amazing how all that stays together to make Jupiter. If a lot of it's gas, why didn't it just dissipate into the space? Do you know what I mean? Even though it's got a gravitational pull sort of thing, I know that would contribute to the gas staying there. But, I mean, how strong is this gravitational pull to make Jupiter as big as it is? Ridiculous, man. Wow. It's interesting, that. And one thing it has taught me is to never be a guy who goes to Jupiter to try and land on that bad boy. Because if it's going to destroy a unmanned ship that is built to be robust, then what is it going to do to any other type of ship that tries to go there? We're going to get squashed like the Titan sub, aren't we? Let's face it. But until we make a ship strong enough to go there, we'll never know what's in the centre. And I want to know now because I'm curious. Anyway, what did you guys think of this reaction? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to follow the original channel, which is What If, because these are the ones who've made this video. It's a very good video as well. If you want to hang around here and subscribe to me too, I would absolutely appreciate it. And I'll see you next time.